Okay, so first things first, I'm going to press N on the keyboard. Now computer's crashed. Right click, select, right click, select, and delete. Okay, so I'll try N again, and we're going to start a display so you can see what keys I pressed down here. So first things first, I'm going to add an image, background images. So we'll add one image, and we'll go to open. And this is the image here I'm looking for. And go open. So when I go to my front view, it should display there, but for some reason it's not. Anyway, we'll add another image. I'll just scroll down here. Open. Select this image here, and we'll change that to right. No, okay, so for some reason it's not displaying my views. Okay, so just bring the opacity up, and that's the front ortho view, so just brighten that up. And that's fine as well. Okay, so what we need to do next is create a torus. So just roll in here a little bit, and I'm going to go to create torus, and if I press F6, sorry, we click on torus, press F6, I'm going to change the settings here to 24, and I think, was this 0.7? I'm not sure actually. And I should scale that in. I'm going to rotate on the Y, 90 degrees. Now we just move it over here a little bit. Press Z and 6 for wireframe. That seems pretty good there. Now, so this is the front view, and it's not displaying. Oh, it is displaying, it's just in the wrong position. So I just zoom in there. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we're going to go back into the front view, and I keep swapping these around. Right, so it's Z and 2 for solid. And what I need to do is select these faces here, so we're going to edit, faces, right click select, and I think it's Alt and Shift if I click here, and I'm holding Shift and Alt and right click there. Now I want to change my view to, it's supposed to be the front view, but it's not. Okay, that'll do. I have my positions all screwed up. So we're going to scale, I think. Okay, let me scale in here like this. That should be fine. I'm just going to scroll around. I'm going to delete those faces. Delete key, and there. Okay, and now we're going to check. Select the outline. Right click and Shift Alt. Right click and the same again. I'm going to change my view again. And I think it is scale. Control Z actually. Okay. So I want to use this. Okay, I want to pull them apart. Scale, rotate. Okay, well, I'll just go back to view 4. Front view. Okay. So I'm just going to move these. Okay, so move this out here like this. And middle mouse button, I'm just going to select this here. So we go to edge again, yeah, and Shift and Alt, right click, go to view 1. I'm going to pull this back out here like this. Okay. I'm going to select these here and press E to extrude. Ooh, extrude in the x-axis. Okay, a second there now. Shift Alt again, extrude in the x-axis. That should be fine. And I'm going to Shift Alt and extrude again in the x-axis and just come back here a little bit. And what I want to do is extrude, scale them in, back, extrude and scale, extrude and scale again, please. I'm in the wrong view, I think. Okay. Extrude and, oh yeah. So I'll go for local normal. So it's extrude and scale. That should be okay, and then I want to extrude again in the Z axis. Okay, we go to view 1. Okay, so that's that. And I come around here and we go to edge again. And is F to fill or C to cap? No. And I right click. There is a way of filling that, which I'm not sure of at the moment, but so far so good. And we extrude, so pull this back out even further. I'm trying to get it in line with this here, so I'll just pull this back a bit. That'll do, and that is one wheel done, and we can if we want. Yeah, that'll do.